Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have for you another Misfits unboxing. Got my box today, and again I was able to select the things that I wanted in my box. I linked that on the screen below so you guys can see that process, because I did tape it. I started doing it and then I was like, oh, I should tape this, so I went back. I had only selected like 3 or 4 things, but anyway, I put that on the screen here or there, wherever, so you guys can see it. And yeah, so let's get into seeing what's in my box this week. Again, I get the I think Mischief. I don't know. I wrote it down and then I moved my paper where I wrote it. So I get the small box and I get it bi-weekly. So anyway, I put it all in the description box below. So let me change my camera angle so you guys can see. Okay guys, let's open the box. I can't remember. I think I ordered one thing again this week extra, but not for sure. Huh. Got inserts, they put them at the top this time instead of hid down up under stuff. So it's telling you market highlights things that they have in the market. They're like opener, but I don't think it is. I think it's just thick paper. Then they have sweet potato veggie burger. May try that. Alright. Let's open it and see. I got it early this morning too. Things look crooked. That's better. Okay. The ice package still has ice in it. It's melted, but it still does have ice. So things are cold. Okay. I ordered some Dino Kale, and I did order this because I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I ordered eggplant. I did order another one. I ordered some the last time and I ordered this. I do remember ordering this. It's a nice size one. The last one I got was kind of small, so this one is a lot bigger. I ordered some green onion. This thing is huge. I'm growing this in my garden, trying to anyway, but it's not cooperating. But it's a nice bulb of green onion. I got 4 apples. I don't know what kind they are, but they're apples. I will eat them. I got 3 oranges, 1 mango. It's just the regular mango, not the yellow one. I got potatoes. I ordered all of this, I believe. Got 4 potatoes, white potatoes, Idaho look like. And then 4 of the red potatoes, which are my favorite. I don't know why I like red better than I do. I asked for a red onion. It's fine. I thought it was soft, but it's not. It's just beat up. But it's fine. Oh, they gave me more onions at the bottom. So I got a red onion and a white onion. I don't know if I ordered both, but I'll leave the thing up there so you can check. Cabbage. I did order another head of cabbage. So I love cabbage. Some green onions. And then 2 limes. I don't know if I ordered limes or not. I can't remember what I ordered. I should have pulled it up first to see. But this is all I got in my box. Again, I will leave the code below so you guys can see the selection that I picked out for myself. They give you lots of options when you get to select for yourself. So I just chose these things because this is what I wanted. So I think it's good when you get to choose your own things. I don't know what I ordered extra if I ordered something. I don't know. I thought I did, but maybe I didn't order anything extra. I should get my phone and pull it up. That's a little rough on the outside, but it's not bad. It's just rough on the outside. Here you can see add-on items, so I'm just going to show you guys what they have in the box. Each week is different, but these are the selections that you can go through and make. So I just wanted to show you guys that so you guys can get a better understanding of the things that they have to offer that you can add on to your box's add-ons, in case you're on the fence and thinking about if you want to make an order or not with Misfit. Just, you know, you can see that. So take a look. Alright, that is it for everything that I got. Let's do another overview as always. Eggplant, cabbage, green cabbage, 4 apples, red onion, white onion, 4 red potatoes, 4 regular, I think they're Idaho, may not be, 2 limes, 3 oranges, scallions, and onions, and then some dino kale. So that is it. I will leave my code on here. Last week I put the code in on my thing wrong, so this time I'll make sure I put it right. I put an E in it, and it shouldn't be. It was right in the description box, but wrong on the actual video. So I'll make sure that is correct. If you have any questions about the Misfits, I'm not sponsored by them, but I'll be happy to answer them. Just leave them in the description box below, and I answer for them. And yeah. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.